Okay, so there is a waterfowl bird right there. I believe it might be an ibis or an egret. And you can see its baby goslings or its offspring are over there. So it's right down there.